Recently, during a very rainy period, I noticed one pine tree had a white soap suds looking substance streaming down the trunk of the tree. What is this? Is it bad for that tree and other trees nearby? And this is from Kathy from Dandridge. Okay, so we actually know what that is.
Yeah.
And I've seen it before,
Yeah,
so why don't you tell folks what is it?
It's bacterial slime flux.
Slime flux. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
And it doesn't happen just on pines. It'll get on
Yeah,
a lot of trees.
Yeah.
But in the name bacterial,
Yes.
which means we don't have bacteriicides, we have fungicides.
Right.
So there's not a whole lot to really spray on it. As far as hurting the other plants, trees around there, no. Usually it's caused by a wound or something, something injury to the tree, and that's the tree's response to it.
Yeah.
The slime that's going down can, though, because it is a bacteria, can affect and kill lichens and moss and maybe grass at wherever it goes at the base of the tree. But given time, the tree will actually compartmentalize that. But if the conditions are such that the bacteria wants to continue, it'll just continue to rot in that area in the tree. Otherwise, the best thing to do is keep the tree healthy and try to have it overcome that, so it will compartmentalize it and the tree will go on.
So try to keep it as healthy as you possibly can. Right. Yeah, because that bacteria is pretty much eating away at it, you know, it's feeding, you know, off of those nutrients in that sap, you know, for the most part.
Right.
Yeah. So that's what that is, Miss Kathy. Bacterial slime flux. And it has, you know.
Oh, it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell good.
It's not the best smell in the world. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.